Hello again, Year 5s. I hope your factors and multiples went okay yesterday. I'm just really going to quickly look at the learning reminders for this lesson. There's no PowerPoint or anything, but I thought it was good to remind you what a square number is, okay? And you can see today's all about square numbers, and in a bit we're just going to touch on cube numbers as well. I'm going to be super fast. A square number is a number times by itself. So 3 squared is as if we had a square which was 3 by 3. How many squares would be? Okay, so we write 3 times 3, or this is how we write it. So this is very important for you to start to recognize, and hopefully you know this. We have talked about this in class, but remember, the most common mistake people make is they see this, they see the little 2, okay, which is like the one we write after centimeter squared, which tells us it's in squares, and we see this 2 and we think, oh, right, 3 squared must be 6. It's not 6. Is it? I've gone all dark there because the sun just went behind a cloud. It's not 6, it's 9, because it's 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. All right, so most common error is to double things when we're squaring them, and it's not doubling, it's timesing the number by itself. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. Now, this sequence is really important to start to recognize. 9, 16, 25. What's next? 36, I hear you cry. What's next? See if you can write them down really quickly. You can pause my video now, and then you could move on, play it again when you've written the list. Can you get the whole list up to probably 100? You can go to 144 if you want to. If you get something that isn't 144 or 100, it's all gone wrong. All right? Go. Oh, that didn't work. So I'm going to see if I can get on this. There we go. So here they are. All right, you should have these. And actually, on a multiplication grid is a nice little diagonal line down the middle, isn't it? Okay. And there's lots of interesting things about them. Okay, it says here then odd and even, alternately 1, 4, 9, blah, blah, blah. And they're quite interesting to look at and carry on with. How far could you get? You could do that at some point today. If you get finished quickly with your work, you could have a go. But there's also cube numbers to look at today, which is a little bit of an extra challenge, because a cube number is a number times by itself, and times by itself again, okay? It's not times 2 times 2, it's times by itself, and times by itself again. So 3, if we look at this cube, and it's 3 this way, 3 this way, and 3 this way, all right? It's 3 by 3 by 3. In order to find its volume, which we measure in centimeters cubed, okay, we times by itself. Now, it's 27, okay? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, okay? So we write this 3 cubed as 27, all right? Now, cube numbers, it says here, which I think is important for you to notice, get big quick, all right? They get really big really quick. So you can have some fun today thinking of some pretty large numbers, because you're multiplying and multiplying and multiplying again. You can see straight away we've gone from just 27, 5 cubed, 125, 6 cubed is 36 times 6. That's a big number, all right? You can probably do that at home. So have a go today. I think this is quite fun, all right? You have to mark people's homework in the hot exercise, and I think you could all have a go at the hot exercise, actually. I hope that you do some good maths today. Enjoy.